Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to check wheel bearings on trailer wheels. A simple guide for safer towing. Trailer wheel bearings might not grab your attention until something goes wrong, but they're essential to safe towing. Worn or damaged bearings can cause uneven wear, strange noises, or even wheel failure. Ignoring maintenance puts you at risk for breakdowns or accidents on the road. In this video, we'll cover how to check your wheel bearings, spot warning signs, and keep everything rolling smoothly. Why wheel bearings are important. Wheel bearings might be small parts of a trailer, but their role is enormous when it comes to towing safety and performance. These hard-working components keep your wheels spinning smoothly and your axles aligned, making every journey more secure. Neglecting them can lead to serious issues, so understanding their importance is the first step in proper maintenance. Let's break it down. Functions of wheel bearings. Wheel bearings do two essential things for your trailer. They carry the load and ensure smooth wheel rotation. Think of them as the unsung heroes that keep your trailer moving. Without them, your wheels can't spin freely, and everything from towing stability to axle health can go downhill fast. Here's how they work. A wheel bearing consists of steel balls or rollers encased in a metal ring, known as a race. It's carefully designed to reduce friction between the wheel hub and axle. This setup allows your wheels to turn with minimal resistance while carrying the trailer's full weight. Imagine trying to push a shopping cart with sticky wheels. It's not going far without a fight. The same happens with faulty wheel bearings on a trailer. With well-maintained bearings, your trailer glides along as if it were floating, even under heavy loads. This balance improves towing stability, enhances fuel efficiency, and prevents wear and tear on other parts. Consequences of faulty bearings. When wheel bearings start to wear out, problems follow quickly. Neglecting them doesn't just risk damaging your trailer, it can jeopardize your safety. Here's what can happen if your bearings fail. Wheel wobbling. Bad bearings make your trailer's wheels unstable, leading to vibrations or swaying while towing. This compromises your control, especially at higher speeds. Overheating. Bearings are designed to handle friction, but worn ones will overheat. You might even notice smoke or an unusual burnt smell near the wheels. Complete wheel failure. If a bearing completely fails, the wheel can seize or detach entirely. This can create a dangerous situation for you and other drivers on the road. Think of it like a ticking time bomb. Ignoring bearing problems can turn a minor maintenance issue into a full-blown emergency. Keep an ear out for grinding, humming, or clicking noises. They're common red flags that your bearings need attention. Taking care of your wheel bearings ensures your trailer stays safe, efficient, and roadworthy. In the next section, we'll look at how to inspect them properly and spot early warning signs. Signs of wheel bearing problems. Spotting problems with your trailer's wheel bearings early can save you time, money, and major headaches. Bearings play a critical role in ensuring smooth and safe towing, so you don't want to overlook potential warning signs. Below, we'll cover the most common indicators that your wheel bearings might need attention. Unusual noises. One of the earliest signs of a wheel bearing issue is unusual sounds coming from your wheels while towing. These noises can vary depending on the severity of the problem, but they're your first signal that something isn't running smoothly. Here's what to listen for. Grinding sounds. This typically points to metal-on-metal contact inside the bearing, caused by significant wear or a lack of lubrication. Humming or droning noises. These are often heard when driving at higher speeds and may change pitch when you turn or adjust your speed. Squealing or chirping. This may suggest an issue with the seals, allowing dirt or debris to contaminate the bearing. If you notice any of these sounds, don't ignore them. They're like your trailer's way of whispering, "Hey, I need help." The longer you wait, the louder and more expensive the problem could become. Excessive wheel play. Another telltale sign of a wheel bearing problem is excessive wheel play, which refers to unnecessary movement or wiggle in the wheel when you inspect it. To check this, follow these steps. Safely lift your trailer so one wheel is off the ground. Grab the tire at the top and bottom with both hands. Try to rock the wheel side to side and look for any noticeable movement. A properly functioning wheel should feel tight and secure. If it wobbles or moves too much, this usually indicates loose or damaged bearings. Think of it like a loose shoelace. If it's not fixed, it can throw everything off balance and cause bigger issues. Excessive wheel play isn't just about annoying vibrations while towing, it's a red flag for potential bearing failure down the line. Address it promptly to avoid unsafe driving conditions. Overheating wheels or hubs. If you've been towing for a while, take a moment to check the temperature of your wheel hubs. Overheating is a major warning sign of bearing trouble. Carefully touch the hub, or use an infrared thermometer if you have one. If it feels overly hot, this may indicate grease failure. Bearings rely on grease to reduce friction. Without it, heat builds up quickly. Internal friction. Damaged or worn bearings create excess friction, leading to high temperatures. Overheated hubs aren't just uncomfortable to touch, they're dangerous. High heat can cause the grease to burn off entirely, leaving metal parts to grind against each other. It's like driving a car without oil. Eventually, something is going to break down. If you notice heat or even see smoke near your trailer's wheels, stop immediately and get the bearings inspected. Continuing to tow under these conditions can lead to catastrophic failure. Recognizing these key signs of wheel bearing problems will help keep your trailer safe and running smoothly. Pay attention to noises, wheel play, and temperature to stay ahead of potential issues and avoid costly repairs. Steps to check trailer wheel bearings. Checking your trailer's wheel bearings is an essential maintenance task that helps ensure safe and reliable towing. Neglecting this step can lead to serious issues on the road, including wheel failure. Below is a straightforward and practical guide to inspecting these critical components. Follow these steps carefully to keep your trailer in top condition. Gather necessary tools. Before starting, make sure you have the right tools on hand. Lacking the proper equipment can slow you down or, worse, lead to unsafe working conditions. Here's what you'll need. Jack and jack stands. To lift and secure the trailer safely while you work. Socket wrench or lug wrench. For loosening and removing the wheel nuts. Bearings grease. High-quality grease is essential for proper lubrication. Gloves. To keep your hands clean and protected. Grease cleaner or solvent. For cleaning old grease and dirt off the bearings. Rag or paper towels. For wiping and drying parts during the inspection process. Having everything ready before you begin not only saves time but also ensures the job is done efficiently from start to finish. Safely jack up the trailer. Safety is key when lifting your trailer, so take precautions to prevent accidents. Follow these steps to securely jack up your trailer. Park the trailer on a flat, stable surface. If you're outdoors, use wheel chocks on the opposite side to keep it from rolling. Position the jack under the trailer's frame near the wheel you're working on. Use a spot that's sturdy and designed to handle the trailer's weight. Slowly lift the trailer until the wheel is off the ground. Place a jack stand under the frame and lower the trailer onto it for stability. Never rely solely on the jack to hold the trailer. It's unsafe and could lead to serious injury if the jack fails. Once the trailer is properly supported, double-check everything before moving on. A solid, secure setup means you can work with peace of mind. That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go over more detailed steps on what to do if you find any issues with your wheel bearings. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.